Hey out Wall Street Willie, what are the advantages of low down payment mortgages? Saving up enough money for a down payment is difficult and can take several years. For example, if you are looking to put a down payment of 20% on a home worth $300,000, you would need to save $60,000 up front. Low down payment mortgages eliminate this problem by requiring a much lower down payment, making the process of purchasing a home faster and easier. For example, the same house would require only a 3% down payment, or just $9,000, which is much more manageable. Any additional savings could be used for other things, like closing costs, home improvements, investing, or creating an emergency fund. What are the disadvantages of low down payment mortgages? Firstly, low down payment mortgages usually have a higher interest rate because the lender takes on a higher risk. And depending on the lender, you will also likely need to buy private mortgage insurance, PMI. You will also need to take out a larger mortgage since you aren't paying for as much of the home's value in the form of a down payment. All these factors combined result in the monthly payments being significantly higher than those for a traditional mortgage with a 20% down payment, and over the life of the loan, you'll end up paying significantly more in interest. Also, while there are options for low down payment mortgages, it is certainly easier to find a mortgage with a higher down payment. You will also start with less home equity to tap into when you get the loan, which means you cannot qualify for a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, HELOC, in an emergency. Should I get a low down payment mortgage? Whether you should get a low down payment mortgage depends on your personal financial situation. If you are able to afford a standard mortgage with a down payment of 20%, you should certainly go for that. However, if 20% is an impossible goal and buying a home right away makes much more sense than renting, it's probably better to get a low down payment mortgage. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.